What is time? What is the basis of time? Time is an event that occurs in reality due to which changing process continuously take place. Time is defined by its speed only. Day and night, the changing weather, growth of living things, these tell us the existence of time. Day by day, we are getting older and older is also proof of existence of time. But have you thought why time goes on and on continuously? Where did it started and where will it end? So friends, the history of time is beyond our imaginations. However, the discovery of time by humans began from times when sundials were invented during ancient Egypt before 1500 BC itself. In various mythologies, such as Greek, Hindu, and others, have specified the effect of time. Some of the great philosophers, like Aristotle, said that speed can increase or decrease while time cannot. While great scientists like Newton said that time is universally constant for everyone, that is, time moves with one speed only for everyone. In day to day life, we can see that we are all moving in time with specific speed. This theory of Newton regarding time for different conditions was assumed to be constant until Einstein and another great scientist who came with modern theory of relativity. But Einstein's one revolutionary law changed the whole perspective of time. He proved this law mathematically, and when he presented this theory to the public, his complex calculations were understood by some people only. One without great knowledge in mathematics cannot understand his theory. So let's understand his theory in simple way. Friends, according to Einstein, speed of time cannot be same for every conditions in the universe. Time and space are mixed together, which we call as space-time. In space, gravitational field affects speed of time by increasing or decreasing. To understand it more clearly, consider universe as mat and more heavier the planets are, it creates a curvature in space-time mat by which it creates a corresponding gravitational force on other objects. The more the gravity, time gets slower and slower, and by this theory of Einstein, no object can move faster than the speed of light, which is 300,000 km per second, which means there is a speed limit in the universe, which is equal to speed of light. This was about what time is. Now talking about is time travel possible? As I said before, we are all moving at constant speed in time. So can we increase or decrease this speed? Can we decrease the speed of time by which we can live for 1,000 years? Or can we live full life in short amount of time? We will all know this in today's episode. Before I start, everyone please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any videos that I will upload. Friends, before theory of relativity, even to think of time travel was a difficult thing. Scientists never believed in this theory, but changes made in 20th century caused a new revolution to start. Stephen Hawking and another great scientist of the modern era have made important contributions in understanding theory of relativity and definition of time. For your information, I would tell you that Maharshi in the history of India has been familiar with time travel. Maharshi Kannada, a philosopher, has also mentioned time travel, whose theories even today's science accepts. Now the question arises, is time travel possible? Though there is no validated proof for any existence of time travel in the past, but in Hindu and Greek mythologies, time travel has been seen. Devatas have time traveled in mythologies. But before Einstein's theory, it was believed that universal time was constant, meaning that 1 second passed in Earth would also mean that 1 second passed in other planets. But theory of relativity told us that at different places have different times, meaning 1 second passing in Earth would not mean other planets' time has also passed by 1 second. To understand why this happens, you have to master mathematics behind it and universal laws. But there is one simple way. Have you ever thought the work which you don't like and you feel like time is taking too long? We all have experienced one time in life where we can feel time is passing too slow or too fast. At the same time, when doing a thing which makes you happy, you will feel time has gone past too quickly. These differences are very low to even be noticed. For experiencing this effect, the difference should be larger. Also, theory of relativity states that as object starts to gain speed near to or at the speed of light, time starts to get extremely slow for the object, meaning that a train moving faster would comparatively be slower than its surroundings. But even with fastest train or vehicle in the world, we would not be able to experience this time dilation, as it would require the object to move at the speed of light or at even 50% the speed of light. Let us imagine a situation where the train will be able to move at this speed. This train starts its journey from 2 September 2020 with some passengers on board. After some rounds, this train increases speed, and the time when this train attains 75% or 100% speed of light, a mysterious thing happens. Inside the train, time would pass extremely slow compared to that of Earth. So slow that when this train completes 1 week according to its time on Earth, 100 years would have been passed. And the most surprising fact is that people inside the train would feel only 1 week's time have passed out. But on Earth, it would have passed 100 years. They ensure time travel into the future, and when they complete the journey, time would be 2 September 2120. The family that they left behind, they would have aged very much as compared to these people on the train. This opened the doors for time travel. But by this incident, 2 points come. First one, why this time slows down inside the train. Second, can we build a train that can travel at these speeds? For answering the first, understanding why time slows down is really difficult, as Einstein explained with his mathematical calculations and principles. But you just believe one thing, that nothing can travel faster than the speed of light. This makes us easier to understand. Let's see again the train's example. This time a person is running in the train that's moving the speed of light. Now if you add speed of the person and that of the train, it would be more than the speed of light, which breaks the universal law. But this cannot happen, as theory of relativity comes into the picture, due to which the law does not break and time would become extremely slow, and the person running his speed would be constant. And the second question regarding whether we can make a machine such efficient to go at speed of light, answer is no, because even the fastest of the vehicles in the world cannot move even half of the speed of the light. So does the time travel's idea ends here? No. The theory of relativity have made researches in sciences which are unbelievable, and they have been mathematically proved. This goes by the names of black holes and wormholes, which we will know in further videos. So if you like the video, do press the like button and also share and subscribe.